You may have found that easy pose isn't so easy to always rest in. Let's break it down. Join me by grabbing a seat on your mat, the floor, or chair, and we're going to cross one ankle in front of the other as soon as you get there. Rooting down through your sit bones. So you might move the fleshy part of the butt to the side, the thighs, so that you can really feel the connection beneath you. And then anchor down right away, palms on top of the knees. Palms could be facing up towards the ceiling or the sky, or maybe resting on your thighs. You choose. Once you begin to arrive, allow yourself to find a really tall seat. Pretend like you are a beautiful sunflower out in the field and you're really reaching your crown chakra up towards the sun, really trying to soak in all of that fresh air and that beautiful sunlight. Your navel is drawn into your spine just a little bit to protect this upright posture as our legs are crossed. And there is a very subtle flex in both feet so that the legs don't fall asleep. Now, me personally, I'm sitting on one block on a medium height. You could use two blocks on a medium height. And what that will do for you is provide a little bit more space in your hip flexors and relieve some pressure from your low back. So decide if you need that now. If this feels like a really cramped, tight situation, maybe you go ahead and do that. You could also sit on a rolled up blanket, and that will provide a little bit more space as well. You'll notice that the knees will be able to stretch out a little bit further, and you'll feel a little bit more of a stretch for your inner thighs. Find a deep breath in through your nose and let it truly be fulfilling, right? Pour it into your cup. And then as you exhale, ensure that your shoulders are rolled back and down. There's a gentle bend in the elbows, and you can begin to lower your gaze while you're here. So a soft focus on the floor or your mat. And we are noticing the pattern of our breath. Not necessarily trying to create a pattern, just a gentle notice. The thighs are heavy, the knees are heavy. They're rooting down and pulling down towards the ground just a little bit. And we still have this really tall and alert spine. Begin to notice in your mind's eye the connection, the starting point at your crown chakra. And it's traveling all the way down through the skull, through the cervical spine, branches out a little bit to the shoulders, the shoulder blades. And we're reaching all the way down to the L5, the tailbone. And then eventually we say hello to that root chakra, or our sit bones in this case. That beautiful line of awareness from crown to tail. Begin to gently draw your palms together at the heart space. Thumbs will kiss the sternum, perhaps, elbows super wide. Puff up your chest just a little bit here. Keep the shoulder blades rolled back and down. And then now we do want to find one more intentional breath here together in our easy pose. Inhaling deeply, really feel the air flow up, pull up from the root chakra all the way up to your heart space. And then exhale, continue to melt the shoulders away from the ears. Release the hands back down towards your knees or your thighs. Fingers are very light and loose. And there you have it. Easy pose. Sukhasana. Sukha means ease. Asana is pose. So we were just in Sukhasana, easy pose. And it is a very foundational pose for yoga. It's one where you can come for meditation. It's one where you can come to gain a better posture. It is also a really great pose for strengthening your hips and your low back. So remember to keep that navel pulled into the spine just a little bit anytime you're here. Shoulders roll back and down. Very tall and alert seat. Very proud chest. So pull those elbows back and allow yourself to sink down and root down into exactly where you are. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Diving Deeper Pose Breakdown. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into this pose breakdown. Easy pose isn't always an easy pose to rest in, no pun intended. But the more you keep showing up and the more you allow yourself to sit here 30 seconds longer, 60 seconds longer, increasing over time, week by week, you'll find that you can sit here for almost hours on end, enjoying the seat actually, and really revelating in the benefits that you're getting from it. I am so happy that you tuned into this video. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. And I will see you in the next video.